Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x plus 1. This is equal to x. So what is the value of x? Now, let's provide a solution from here. So we have x plus 1. This is equal to x. Now, the first step to do here, let's square on both sides. So that now, x plus 1 to the power of 2, this is in the form of a plus b raised to the power of 2. This is the same thing as a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2, then plus 2ab. Applying this algebraic identity, then here we have x to the power of 2 plus 2x, then plus 1. This is equal to x to the power of 2. So we have x to the power of 2. The next step is to take x to the power of 2 on the left hand side, so that we have x to the power of 2 here plus 2x plus 1 minus x to the power of 2. This is equal to 0. Now, x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 2. So this simplifies so that we have 2x plus 1. This is equal to 0. Now, we have that 2x, this is equal to, let's take plus 1 on the right hand side, and this is equal to negative 1. So let's divide both sides by 2, and this implies that the value of x here is equal to negative a half. Now, let's verify if this value of x here satisfies the equation. Let's verify. Now, we have that x plus 1, this is equal to x. Now, let's substitute x, which is negative a half, plus 1. This should be equal to negative a half. Now we have negative a half plus 1. This is equal to a half, and this is not equal to negative a half. So this implies that x is not equal to a half. X is not equal to a half. So this concludes that there is no solution. There is no solution to this algebra problem. Now, alternatively, we could have dealt with this problem as x plus 1. This is equal to x. Now, let's take x on the left hand side, and this means this is x plus 1 minus x. This is equal to 0. X minus x, this is 0 plus 1. So this means 1 is not equal to 0. So what this means is that there is no real solution to this algebra problem. So what we have is an empty set. We have an empty set. Now let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this problem.